Welcome back. Today we're going to be continuing the installation on our 2013 Toyota Tundra backup sensors. Let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay, here we're going to remove our sensors from the package. They are all individually numbered. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to move the package out of the way. Let's go ahead and pop the first one in. These are pretty nifty, just little twist on ties so you can remove it gently. Just seat it in there, you don't have to jam it. The little screw will draw it in if it's loose at all, just like that. Now it is side specific. There's going to be a little arrow hard to see on here. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to get it right in the up position. Like I said, it's going to be specific to the grooves inside the rubber housing. We're going to put it right there. We're good to go. Let's grab the second one. Once these are fitted into the truck, special truck rubber adaptive housing, we'll clean up all the wiring on the inside. Sensors are in, looking good. Everything's where we need it. Perfect. Now we're going to move on to removing the left taillight. Okay, we have the sensors in. Getting ready to start doing the module installation and tracking down wires. So what we're going to do with this application is remove the left taillight. This is a T30 Torx. Little bolt right here. So there's two of them, just the bottom and top one. And it's 2013. It's in good shape, but it may have to have a little wiggle to remove the taillight all the way. So let's get these bolts out. And this one should just kind of click out very gently, just like that. So what we're going to do, I don't want to dangle the light. We're going to go ahead and just remove the harness. A little bit of orange coming off. We're going to remove, this is our reverse light down here in the bottom, but we're going to go ahead and remove the light so it's not dangling or scratching the paint. Get it away from the vehicle temporarily, secure it, and then we'll come back with the meter here. Now on this system, we're going to be able to utilize the main triggering function of this module is just going to be the reverse circuit. So we're going to come in, give ourselves a little bit of play right here, a little bit of extra room to work with. And just to verify, we are not going to cut the wires in half. We're going to do what's called a military splice. And it's not too bad. This is how we're going to do it. I know this is the reverse wire circuit, so we're going to come in. We're going to utilize our ground wire. We don't need to drill a new hole into the truck. We know this is going to be ground. Before we pop in the hole for the military splice, we're going to go ahead and hook up our ground lead from our meter, secure it. Now let's go ahead and make a little offset trim right here into the reverse wire, just like that. No wires are cut in half. Just the wire protector is just stripped back just a little bit. So right now the truck key is off. I'm going to go ahead and put my positive lead into the wire and just twist it in just a little bit. We're going to let it sit right there. Make sure the positive and the negative, of course, do not touch. Right now, no power on here. So what I'm going to do is go put the vehicle in reverse, and Kiki's going to let us know if it gives us 12 volt once we put it in reverse. Okay, we're getting ready to put it in reverse. Is it showing 12 volts now? Okay, so the battery's a little bit low. So, reverse light is on. We need to charge the battery up just a little bit, but that's okay, we're working on it. So, we know right now reverse light is on, getting 10 to 12 volts. I'm going to remove reverse just to verify. Once I take it out of reverse, the meter should go back to 0. Okay, took it out of reverse, put it back in park. That is the correct circuit that we want to use, and instead of going somewhere and drilling a new hole into the vehicle, we get to use the ground wire right here. So this is a circuit that we're going to use. We're back here already anyways doing all the sensors, running the wires, so we'll grab it right there. Thank you for watching this segment of the Toyota Tundra Backup Sensor Installation Series. Don't forget, hit the like button, subscribe, hit that bell so that you'll be updated for the remaining segments of this installation series. We look forward to seeing you soon.